What is going on, everybody? DJMINES here. Oh my goodness, Hivemapper, the honey token is on fire. The device is on fire. They're selling for 3 to 4 times what they're supposed to cost. I know, we're going to talk about all that. Should you sell? Should you buy? All that stuff. So I just want to tell you, I was out hive mapping yesterday and it was really fun. It was super fun. I'm on vacation. I did a YouTube short on it. And I was like, you know what? I want to get a second one because I just saw my friend. He's an electrician and he's actually running 2 devices. So he has one in the front where you see everybody and then one on the passenger side, and he gets paid for the second one. Now it doesn't pay as much as the first one, but he's making buku money, dude. He just showed me he's up to $45,000. Now to be fair, he does drive across the country and everything, so you got to of course factor in gas. But dude, look at this. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go on eBay and I'm gonna buy another one for, like I said, either the passenger side or for my wife's car. They're going for over $1,200. That's right, over $1,200, and they cost, with my discount code DJMINES, about $285 after shipping. It goes to $270, but you got to pay for shipping, right? That's insane, dude. That is absolutely insane. $1,200. So yeah, needless to say, we are not buying one used, as much as I would love to and have a second one for my wife's car. So what I did is instead, you know, just like all of you, I went ahead and just bought one. Now, do keep in mind, these aren't going to come out until like February or March, I'm hearing. So that is something to consider. But damn, dude, I think it's worth the wait, bro. Like that's like a 3-4x depending on how much you're paying for it. I mean, I wouldn't sell it. Like you should, of course, use it. Like I'm actually using mine, and I do think that's the better option. Now, shout out to my friend Will. He's from my Discord. He actually posted this, and I think this might be also why they're selling so much. You're going to get 2,500 honey token if you buy the Hivemapper Dashcam S. Now, which one is the Hivemapper Dashcam S? That is not the cheaper one. You have to actually buy this more expensive one. So it costs $649. But if you think about it, as long as you buy this, let's see, between October 1st and December 31st, that's the cutoff. So basically this year, you're going to get 2,500 honey. So how much does 2,500 honey actually cost? If we scroll down here, 2,500 honey, you're going to get $564 back. Now that's also assuming that Hivemapper stays the same, the honey token stays the same. But hey, you know what? It could also go up, right? So it could also, that 2,500 honey could one day become, I don't know, $5,000, $7,000, or it could become $500. So who really knows? But the fact that you can apply for this, I'll put a link for all this in the description below. But you know, I wouldn't bank on this 2,500 honey, but it does say, you know, you can, as long as you buy it within this year. This is just crazy to think about. So yeah, actually, I think yeah, if you buy this cheaper one, you are not going to get it. So be aware of that. I'm gonna put this one in my car. You know what? I think I will probably just buy the more expensive one, considering you can get 2,500 honey token back, which might even pay itself off. I don't know. What do you guys think on this, man? I know a lot of people were interested in Hivemapper, and I thought for my area it really wasn't that good, but actually I looked at my balance and I'm up to like $1,300 because again, I just hodled it. Now, keep in mind when it comes to mapping, if you're just going to your job and your job's not really far, you're going to earn about what I did or something similar, right? Like you're going to get some nice rewards. I just went around shopping and took the kids out. We went to a restaurant and I got paid for like $40 for the week. Now, somebody who drives from, I don't know, someplace to Disney World or on this family road trip like Max Voltage, you know, he earns like $1,000 in a day. So I'm not in a day, in a trip, in like a week. So not saying you will get that. I don't know what the longevity is. I mean, it's been really good recently, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, if you drive, if you're a trucker or you go far distances, or maybe this will encourage you to drive further. Let's look at this, man. This was me mapping, and I felt like this was like the real 200 IQ. I had Uber Eats going, and then on the phone that I was recording on, I had DoorDash. So also I have my DIMO. I'll put a link in that in the description below. So I got my DIMO running, I got my Hivemapper, I was out DoorDashing and Uber Eats, and I would only take orders over $10 because the real main money maker for me was the Hivemapper. But I'm just like, you know what? If I get paid 10 to 12 bucks on this delivery, I'll take that while I'm driving around anyway. So like yesterday, I ended up probably making $60 in DoorDash and Uber Eats, and then whatever Hivemapper will pay me, I don't know, maybe it'll be like another 20, 30 bucks. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. It gets you out the house and you kind of do things. And man, I just cannot believe what is going on with Hivemapper. Let's look at it for the last 7 days. It's up 31%, and the last month it's up 1,000%. Oh my god, 1,000%. Not saying that this will happen in the future. Now if you look at the year, the reason it says it's only up 19% is because right out the gate it came out pretty hot and then it sold off. And what's really crazy to think about, and this is why I say, you know, maybe I was wrong and a lot of us were wrong, just in November Hivemapper was a penny. Just last month, Hivemapper was 1 penny, and now it's up to 23 cents, 22 cents. So, wow, 2,000% gain. Now, here's the thing, right? I know a lot of people are taking profits on it. Is there anything wrong with taking profits? I really don't think so. I know a lot of people. I don't know if Hobbyist wants to disclose, but I know he's up a lot of money. The Hobbyist miner is up a lot of money, and I think he sold half of it, which I think is a smart move. For me, though, like I said, I'm hodling. My vision for all crypto, it doesn't really matter what it is, unless it's just like Carlson or like some doo-doo, some like really up hot stuff, right? I think for me, the best strategy is hodl everything until the year 2025. And I know that maybe on a couple of them, I'll lose a little bit of money, but on a lot of them, I'll probably end up getting a 3 to 5 to 10x compared to just selling and taking profits now. So that's my strategy, not just for Hivemapper, but literally for everything. I personally am of the mindset that we do not sell in the bear run. Again, I understand you need to take profits. If that makes you feel more comfortable, there's nothing wrong with taking profits and selling into something like a Bitcoin or selling for Bitcoin or Solana or Matic or something that you feel is safer. For me, though, I am not trying to make a grape. I'm trying to get watermelon. So yeah, between all the projects that I'm interested in, I think Hivemapper for sure is definitely a good one, and it actually has a use case just like DIMO. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, my car right now is on fire, man. I'm making some crazy money just because we hodl. Now, technically, you're not making money because I don't sell, but I think there's a lot of good things to talk about. And I just can't believe how far Honey has come. And again, it hasn't even seen a bull run. We haven't even seen its true potential. And more of these are going to come online, which again, you know, you would think would hurt your rewards, but I've been wrong. It just 2,000x. It just 2,000x. So what do I know? I don't know anything. Like I said, you could use my code. You get 30 bucks off. And please don't sell the device. Please don't flip it. Don't be a scalper, man. Use it, man. Use it. That's what it's for. And you never know what could happen with it, because that's what it's really all about, man. Supporting the network. It's really interesting. I love you guys. I just wanted to keep you, you know, kind of in the know for this. Join my Discord. That is free. Check me out on Twitter, and I'll keep you guys updated on other cool new projects and news that's coming out for crypto. Peace.